I used the Galaxy S24 Ultra during the Unpacked 2024 held I, to be honest, liked the device's in-hand feel. The boxy design suits me so well. During the whole event, I was walking around the display booths looking for the titanium black, because I wanted that color, and everywhere I saw the titanium grey or the titanium violet. But ultimately, I found the color, and man, oh man, the color looks so good in hand. The very next day, after a lot of struggle, I got to pre-order the device in titanium black, and here it is today. In the hardware department, the device doesn't feel that heavy, maybe thanks to the titanium used in the frame, but it is what it is. The display is outright sharp and bright. Please don't judge me. I come from the Galaxy S21 FE after all, and there is a very significant difference between both of their displays.